Hello, welcome back to DeLozier Investments. Today I'm breaking down 5 stocks to buy now for May 2025. The first stock, Palantir Technology, ticker symbol PLTR. It's been on a tear. It's up 55% in 2025 and it's outperforming the market. Up until just a couple days ago, the market's dropped. We see tons of stocks down, but Palantir is an excellent company to pick up at the moment. The company's platforms, AIP, Foundry, and Gotham, are seeing strong adaptation in both public and private sectors, especially in defense and data analytics. Palantir is a leader in the AI revolution, but its high valuation means investors should watch for pullbacks like the one we're seeing at the moment, because long term it's a dual focus on government and commercial clients' position. It's for well-sustained growth. I have a strong buy on Palantir at the moment at $120 a share, which it's currently trading at. Stock will continue to climb higher. I had this stock going to around 180 or so by the end of 2025, at least. So excellent time to buy Palantir Technology. Anytime it falls 4% or more, let's go ahead and pick up some shares of Palantir. Add to your portfolio. That's what I like to do, just because all the heavy volatility. There's 40 million shares traded on any given day of Palantir. Great company to own. Really can't go wrong. I've been strong on Palantir Technology for a few years, and it's really just kind of went parabolic since last July. And anytime it has a down day, take advantage of the opportunity. Second company on this week's watch list, we've got Carvana, ticker symbol CVNA. Just bought some Carvana at just under $198 a share for DeLozier Investments. So love the stock. Stock always just crushes earnings. Carvana has rebounded strongly, leveraging e-commerce trends in used car sales. Stock is up significantly, but faces skepticism about sustainability at the moment. Overall, Carvana is a great stock for investors looking to make a great return on their investment. Carvana's P is 105.22 with a 4P of 65.54, making Carvana an excellent long-term investment. Expect Carvana to climb in price. I would wait to buy Carvana when it falls 3% or more. It's currently where it's trading at, right there at $292 a share. I think it's currently trading at $294 at the moment. Excellent time to pick up Carvana. I wouldn't be surprised to see Carvana continue to climb higher. We should see this stock at 350, maybe even 375 at the end of the year, if conditions stay the same. Third stock on my watch list, my all-time favorite, Nvidia. It continues to dominate the AI and GPU markets. Its leadership in data centers and AI chips is unmatched, with 2025 revenues projected to hit $111 billion, up from $26 billion in 2023. Explosive growth, robust free cash flow, and aggressive expansion into AI, autonomous vehicles, and edge computing. Data revenue surged by 409% in 2023, and the company remains highly profitable. Nvidia hit an all-time high of $149.43 in January. Nvidia is currently trading right there at $132 a share at the moment. I have a price target of Nvidia at the end of 2025 at around $180 a share. So if you don't own Nvidia, buy it today. We've got earnings coming up. Be interested to see what happens there. If it goes down at earnings, I'm going to load up on it. If it goes up, I'll probably just continue to dollar cost average Nvidia. It's by far the best company to own, just because of it's just continued to outpace the market. It's up over 1,500% in the past 5 years. This is by far the stock to own if you just got to invest in one company. If you're just starting out, buy Nvidia. Cannot go wrong with Nvidia. It's a must own. Next company, Spotify, ticker symbol SPOT, remains the leader in music streaming with growing user base and strong revenue. In Q1 2025, sales were $4.41 billion, up 15% year over year. EPS missed at $1.13 versus $2.33 expected, but revenue beat estimates and user growth remains robust. Now at 678 million monthly active users. Spotify is currently trading at all-time highs. It's a great company to own. Josh DeLozier Investments was buying in right there at $600 a share. Now that it's at $650, I'm kind of waiting for the stock to pull back. If it happens to pull back to around $630 a share, be a decent place to buy in. But it's a little bit too high at the moment. I have Spotify trading over at $7.75 a share by the end of 2025. So I would just be patient and wait for that stock to fall 3% or better. Next company that I bought in my individual portfolio is Reddit. Its IPO and subsequent growth has made it one of the hottest stocks of 2025. Its unique platform and expanding advertising business position the stock continues to climb higher. We've finally seen a pullback. It's currently trading at $95 a share, so great time to buy in. This stock has a ton of upside. I see 20-30% upside in probably the next 3 months. So it's just waiting on a catalyst for it to take back off. Also, just looking at Reddit's user engagement and revenue are growing, with analysts optimistic about long-term success. The company is attracting both retail and institutional interest. And with Reddit trading below $100 today, I have a strong buy on it. I wouldn't be surprised to see Reddit trading back over $170 a share by the end of 2025. So, this right here is a great buying opportunity. Reddit's actually profitable. Big supporter in that stock, and will continue to be buying more shares of it. Also this week I bought Hershey's at $157.33, sold at $158 a share. Also bought Carvana, Arbor REIT. It's continuing to fall in price at the moment. It's talking about a dividend, change in their dividends. So be dollar cost averaging out of that stock for Josh DeLozier Investments. That's ticker symbol ABR. I think right now it's paying a dividend of $1.20 a share. But I have to wait and see what happens. I always use stop losses if you're just learning how to trade. Any company that I own, it's for long-term growth. And then I do own a few dividend companies. But like Arbor REITs, ExxonMobil. I also owned Altria Group, ticker symbol MO. Probably the best dividend stock to own. Also Also, Main Street Capital is a good one, but I'll make another video on that in the future. Please hit the like and subscribe button and leave any comments you might have about any stocks you'd like to me to include in my future videos. As always, be sure to use your own due diligence. Everyone has different risk tolerances. This video is made for educational purposes. If you'd like a free consultation, please be sure to message me, and I'll be more than happy to do a one-on-one consultation. Thank you all for watching the video. I will see everyone back here same time next week.